So here new exercise we are beginning 14.3 exercise is the question number 3. We are going with that. Work out the following division. Work out the following division. First one is 10x minus 25 divided by 5. Okay. So in that what we have to do, these are easy questions. So 10x minus 25 numerator and this 5 will be in denominator. So I can take out something should be common from both of this term. You can see the factors of 10 are 2 into 5. Factors of 25 are 5 into 5. So can I take 5 common? So if I take 5 common, so inside the bracket here 2 will be left. So 5 2 are 10 and 5 one time outside, 5 5 are 25. This is very important step. I have taken 5 common from both of this term here, and this is 5 already here with us in the denominator, so it will be cancelled. So the answer is 2x minus 5. Here, using the similar procedure we are going to apply for the second. What we are given in the second, let's see, that is 10x minus 25 in one bracket, which is divisible by 2x minus 5. So in this situation, what to do? 10x minus 25 numerator, in denominator 2x minus 5. So my dear student, from the numerator, we can take out common. As we did in the one number, 5 will be the common. So inside the bracket 2x minus 5 will be left. And in denominator this time we are given 2x minus 5. So you can see in both of this numerator 2x minus 5, it will be cancelled with this denominator 2x minus 5. So the remaining term, that is only 5. That is the answer. Here in both of this question, if we compare, here we are given 5 as a 5, we need to divide with 5. So the factors 5 will be cancelled with this. So we do have this as a division. And in second time 2x minus 5 is one of the factor in numerator, and with the same we are going to divide. So the division will be 5 here in second case. Easy. Let's go with the third now. So my dear student, third is 10y in bracket 6y plus 21 divide by 5 2y plus 7. So in that case 10y is already outside. Okay. Now something can be take out common from this 6 and 21. We know that the factors of 6 are 2 3 are 6, 21, 3 7 are 21. So I need to write 3 as a common factor. So 3 as a common, then inside we will have 2y plus 7 upon this 5 is already there and 2y plus 7 is also there. Clear to you? So if I cancel this with this, then what will be left? This 5 will be cancelled with this, so it will be 2 here. So what is left now with us? 2 into y into 3. That is 2y into 3. That is 6y. So the solution of this question is 6y. So the solution is on your screen. Once again you see here in the denominator it was 5. So I am cancelling with this y 2 are 10. So here 2y is left. And this 2y plus 7, 2y plus 7 similar terms cancel. These two brackets cancel. So here 3 is left. So 2 3 are 6y. This is the solution of the third part. Okay. Let's work out on the fourth now. So the third is, fourth is here 9x square y square in bracket 3z minus 24 divide by 27xy z minus 8. Okay, this is the question. So let's see how to simplify. Very easy. Let me write this as a numerator. Whatever we are given, let's note down as a numerator, and we are given 27xy z minus 8 as a denominator. So first of all, what I am going to do, I am multiplying. Now here, so here next step is 9x square y square. Now dear student, here 3 in a 24. So 3 ones are 3, 24, 8 theta. So I can take out 3 as a common. So I will have here z minus 8 because 8 theta, 24 and 3 already I have taken outside. In the denominator we have 27xy z minus 8. Now carefully you can see which term can be cancelled. Okay, let's see which one we can cancel. Z minus 8, z minus 8 cancel. Beside this, if I simplify, then 9 ones are 9, 9 3s are 27. Agree? So here it will be 3 will be left, but this 3 will be cancelled with this 3. So what is left with us? X square y square in numerator upon xy. What to do with this? This is also x square upon x into y square upon y. So one time, here it is 2 time given, x into x 2 times. One time it will be cancelled, so one time x left, and here one time y left. So the final answer is x. The same procedure here, 2 times y, one time y cancelled, so one y will be left. So x into y, that is xy. Easy. So the fifth one, we are given 96 ABC, 3a minus 12 in one bracket, another bracket 5b minus 30, which is divided by 144a minus 4, b minus 6. So very beginning step, nothing to do dear student. Let's note down what we are given in the numerator and what we are given in the denominator. If we are dividing with that. So as I have written as it is without any changes. In numerator, this 96 ABC is already there. Let it be. Now focus on this. What should we take out common from 3a minus 12? What can be the common from this? 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. So I can take out 3 as a common factor. So a minus 4 will be left inside into, from these two brackets, this is 5b minus 30. 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30. Can I take 5 common? So I will have b minus 6. 6 5 are 30, so it will be left. Upon 144, a minus 4, b minus 6. This is left. So, dear student, I can cancel this with this and this bracket with this also. Okay. Now, what are the remaining terms? What are the possibilities of dividing them? Let's work out upon there. We know that 12 8 ja 96 and 12 12 ja 144. So can I cancel 12 with 12? Something else also can be cancelled. 4 2 ja 8, 6 2 ja 12. Something else also can be cancelled. Here, here it will be 3. Sorry, 4 3 ja 12, 3. This 3 will be cancelled with this 3. Now, what are the remaining terms with us? Here 2 is left, into A into B into C is left. So ABC, and beside this, this 5 is left. So my dear student, when we have the product of all these terms, I am mentioning it here. The final answer is 5 which are 10 and this ABC. So the answer is 10 ABC. That is the division after simplifying this. Okay. So question number 4 now. Divide as directed. Okay. So what to do with that? First one is 5 3x plus 1, 3x plus 5 divide by 2x plus 1. So my dear student, first whatever we are given in that, we are mentioning it in numerator, and with which we are going to divide, that we are mentioning it as a denominator. Now you can see the brackets similar. The numerator and denominator, this bracket is similar. So let me cancel it. What is left? Here 5 and 3x plus 5 is left. So this is the division. This is the answer. Let's see the second how to solve. We are given 20xy x plus 5 in another bracket y minus 4, which we have to divide with x 13x. It is 13x and y minus 4. This is the question. So, as usual, whatever we are given, this we are writing in the numerator first. So, we will have 26xy, x plus 5, y minus 4 in numerator, and in denominator, here this is 13x and here y minus 4. So, my dear student, what we have to do? We need to cancel this x cancel. 13 2 are 26, so it will be 2y, and y minus 4 cancel. So what is left with us? Here one time 2 left, then y left, and this side x plus 5. So this is the solution, 2y x plus 5. Clear to you? It is easy and very simple. Clear? So, my dear student, here you can see we are given the third one is 52 PQR, P plus Q, Q plus R, R plus P, divided by 104 PQ, Q plus R, R plus P. So, let's mention in the numerator 52 PQR along with this 3 bracket, P plus Q, Q plus R, and the third bracket is R plus P. This we are going to divide by this 104 PQ, that is Q plus R and R plus P. So which term, which bracket similar in numerator and denominator? Let's cancel them. So we can see here Q plus R can be cancelled. R plus P can be cancelled. What about these terms? Something should be common in that. Yes, again you can see P for P with P cancelled. Q with Q we can cancel it. Now we know that 52 1 ja 52, 52 2 ja 104. So in the numerator 1 will be left and denominator 2 is there. Beside this you can see here R is left and P plus Q in bracket is left. So final answer we need to mention 1/2 R P plus Q. If you do not want to write R here, you can mention this way also, R divided by 2 in bracket P plus Q. This can be also the solution of this third part of question number 4. Easy. So my dear student, here we are given the fourth question. You can see on your screen 20y plus 4 in one bracket. In another bracket, y square plus 5y plus 3 in another bracket, which is divided by 5y plus 4. So dear student, here 20y plus 4 I am writing in numerator. In another bracket, y square plus 5y plus 3 divide by here 5 and this y plus 4 is here. So which bracket is similar in numerator and denominator? Visible. Y plus 4 is cancelled. 20 divided by 4. 5 4 cha 20. So what is left? Here 4 is left and y square plus 5y plus 3. This is the solution. Now, fifth is also easy, dear student. The question we are given of the fifth I am mentioning here. X plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3 in one bracket, which is divide by x and x plus 1. Okay, so in this I am going to write x, x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3 numerator, which we are going to divide by here x and x plus 1. Fine. So next, this one is the common. This is common cancel. X with x cancel. What is left? These two bracket is left. So that is the answer. X plus 2 and x plus. This is the complete solution of question number 4. All these questions are very easy of question number 4.